To turn off always on display auto brightness in the charging routine in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap mode and routine, and then tap routine. While you are in the routine screen, tap charging routine, tap always on display, and then tap the blue on off switch next to auto brightness to disable this option. When the switch turns green, it means that this option is off. If needed, you can adjust the always on display brightness manually by sliding the adjustment bar to the right to get a brighter AOD screen, or slide it to the left to get a dimmer AOD screen. Next, tap down button to save the change. By doing this, now when the charging routine is active, your phone will set the always on display brightness to the predefined level. Alternatively, you can adjust the AOD brightness manually at any time by double tapping the clock in your always on display screen. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.